All right, so it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and it is Monday. Monday strategy. If you don't know the Monday strategy, get my ebook. It's only $5. Monday strategy, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All right, let's make this money. All right, so I finished the day off today at 8:14, and I made a total of I think it was like 214, but it's the amount of trips. It's not the amount of money that I make. So the idea is to make as many trips as possible today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So that's the strategy. Let's keep it going. Let's make this money. All right, so today is Tuesday. I feel like crap. All right, today's one wheel day. All right, take it off. Alright, so it is 1:31 p.m. and I finished, well, it's already made like $109. I've been doing a lot of deliveries today. So since yesterday I took off, I need to catch up a little bit. So today is gonna be as many deliveries as I can make all day today. So let's keep it going for Tuesday, right? For Tuesday? No, for Wednesday. I took Tuesday off. For Wednesday, let's keep making this money. All right, so I finished the day off today at about 8:40 something, $254 and 33 trips. So, but that's what I wanted. I wanted the 33 trips for today. That was the strategy. All right, tomorrow it's gonna be a very good day. Watch me make this money tomorrow. It's gonna be so easy. This is why it's so predictable how much money I'm gonna be making tomorrow. So tomorrow should be a 300 plus day. But it's because of this. Monday's many trips as possible. Well, Tuesday I took off, okay, but Wednesday, which is today, 33 trips, $254, and tomorrow, which is gonna be Thursday, it's gonna be just easy. Easy money. Watch me make this money tomorrow. All right, let's keep going. Let's make this money. All right, so it is 7 o'clock in the morning, or 7:09. It is Thursday. Today's gonna be a really easy day. Yesterday was 250 something day. Today we're gonna multi-app it all day. All right, and then after I make my 300 for the day, I'm just gonna decide whether if I want to keep working or not working. But but watch. The 300 is gonna hit. I'm gonna hit probably like $150 plus today in a couple of hours. So let's make this money. All right, so it's like 9:50, 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock, 3 hours. I made $194. Told ya, 4 hours. What is that? $50 an hour. But anyway, let's keep it going. I knew I was gonna make this much anyway. It's like so predictable. When you do the little strategies, you just kind of know the type of money you're gonna be making. All right, or at least where you're going with it. But let's keep making this money. All right, we still got the rest of the day. Once I reach my 300, then I decide whether I'll keep going or just go home or something like that. Anyway, keep making this money. It is 7:41, and I finished the day making $362. Told you I was gonna make over 300. Very predictable, but this is just for Thursday. Now we got tomorrow, Friday. Let's keep it going. But today was just, I just multi-app. I just multi-app all day today. Alright, so it is Saturday, and it's 9 o'clock. I finished the day out at like 8 something, 8:40, something like that. Friday I finished the day off making only $203. It was really slow. I was multi-apping it all day, but it just tanked the day from the morning. I mean, well, I woke up late, but it was really slow. But I was still multi-apping it the whole entire day, so 203 is what I made. For Saturday, for today, I made $275. Been multi-apping it all day, including deliveries. Let's keep it going. All right, tomorrow is Sunday. It's gonna be the last day. This promo for Uber, I might get it tomorrow. I might not get it, but I'm gonna shoot to get it. Let's keep it going. Let's keep making this money. All right, it is 5:42 in the morning. All right, let's see how much I'm gonna make for Sunday. Alright, so today, finished the day off at about 8:05. I made a 358. And then for the week, I made 1,593. Alright, I didn't make 2,000. God damn it, I know. But Monday was really slow. Tuesday picked up, I think. No. Tuesday was that I had to take off. I took the whole entire day off because I was done. I was sick. And then I continued the rest of the week, which was pretty slow and stuff. Actually, it was surprisingly slow, but this weekend it picked up and all that stuff. So 1,593 for the rest of the week, 358 for today. It's all right. It's all right week. All right, let's keep it going. Let's make this money. Let's see how much we're gonna make next week.